Hey guys, welcome back to my channel AV Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great and are perfectly fine. So in this video, I will show you how we celebrated our Diwali this year. Generally we used to go to Kanpur to celebrate our Diwali with our family, but this time as we bought a new house, so we decided that we will celebrate our Diwali here in Mathura itself. That's all for the introduction part. So if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so first of all we went to Radha Kund because our newborn baby has now went there. So we decided firstly we will go there and we did our puja and all.
इधर मौका करो बच्चे का मौका करो इधर। हाँ
After that we came back and I took on the task of putting the lights all over my house, and that I did pretty good, I must say that. And here's the clip that how I did it.
क्या इसको ऊपर ही रखो, उसी वायर में अटैच करते हुए आ जाएंगे। तुम दिख तो रही नहीं हो। Say hi.
Okay, so this is the daytime. I will also insert a clip.
Say it again.
Night when the lights were lit. Also on such an auspicious day, we decided to plant some trees. So Mama and Papa planted 2 trees, one of which I don't know the name of, and second was like we call it methi neem or kadi patta. So we planted that and you will see that in a bit.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell.
ये कौन सा पौधा है?
श्याम तमाल।
I'll never tell.
ढंग से ही देख लो, डरा रही हो। हम क्या शक्ल बना रहे हैं? And also we planted this one. This is methi neem or kari patta, and Papa and Mama planted this. Okay, so after all that, it was time to decorate the main part where our puja was going to take place. So I created some fake flowers, of which I have created a shorts video, so you can check that out, that how I made it. So I decorated my temple, my mandir with that, and it turned out pretty good. I will show you my temple before that, and after I complete it, then also I will show you that. Okay, so this is the moment I realized that why I don't film anymore. So this is what my mandir looks like. Me and Mama is going to make some flowers for decoration. And also not only me, everybody in the family did something, and this was kind of a teamwork. So I did something else, my Mama did something else, and Papa did something else. So we all did a small part of work to like bring all this into action.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked.
This is how it turned out.
Never revealing no secrets.
And this is how it turned out after lights were on.
Keeping these promises strong.
And of course, as it is Diwali, Rangoli has to be there. So I give Rangoli a try. And I started to create that Rangoli. I didn't know where I was going, but along the way I like created it, and somehow it turned out good. And So here I am drawing that.
अगले साल तो मेरा बेटा क्या करेगा, बुआ बनाएंगे, इसे हाथ मारेगा ठप ना।
Okay, so I give that rangoli a try. So you guys tell me in the comment section how do you think it went, and also you guys tell me how that looks. And here's the top view, and all thanks to my brother who filmed this for me.
Smile please. Say cheese.
So yeah guys, don't look at me, it's already night, you can see. So it took a lot of time. Actually I took a lot of time to make that rangoli, and don't judge me on that how I made it, but I think it looks pretty good. I am going to show you that from the top. Ta-da! So yeah, it is looking like that, but I think it will look much more better when the diyas will be like put on that. So I am really hoping it will turn out good. Yeah, so anyway, I am going to get ready now and I will see you afterwards. Bye. And also this is how it looks after diyas were put on. Hope you guys think it was pretty good. Okay, so now here I am showing my dress of the day. Actually I must say dress of the night. So yeah.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
And there I was trying to create some transition effect. I don't know how that went, but yeah.
This promise is strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
So I kept all things basic and simple. I did a little bit of makeup and my hairs were down. There was nothing done on that, and I finished off all that with a big jhumka, which was not heavy at all. I have also shown those jhumkas in one of my videos, in one of my way previous videos. So yeah, I used that jhumka for today's video.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
So here I am all ready, and there is Bhabhi. और ये अभी तक तैयार नहीं है. टाइम क्या हो गया?
8:40 हो गया.
Oh wait, let me show you a very cute thing in which my nephew was trying to talk to my brother. So you will see the next clip, and that was of that. Isn't he adorable?
और लहरी साहब और बता देना.
तिरछी नजर से देख रहा है.
क्यूटी, अरे क्यूटी.
कितनी चिंता है इसकी.
क्यों छुआ ना तुम्हें? यार एक तो तुमने बिखरे हुए बाल बनाए हुए थे.
बेतो.
चलो भाई.
हेलो. So there was already a lot of thing going on that day, but there is one more thing that went very well, and especially for my mama. So here my brother decided to give mama a phone since she broke her previous phone. That's why he decided to give that to him, and let's see how that turned out. Surprise! Amma ka phone. Thank you. Kholo.
बाबू हैप्पी दिवाली बोल दो दादी को, और मैं कौन की पार्टी ले लेना. अरे वाह, क्या बात है.
ऑन करो. हाँ. ऊपर करो.
स्लाइड अप.
माँ वे क्या इसी बात पे अपनी एक सेल्फी लेके दिखाइए.
चलो सेल्फी लो। हाँ वो रहा।
हाँ चलिए वहाँ सेल्फी लीजिए अपनी।
अरे
फोन पीछे से दिखाना मत जरा,
अरे भाई
आगे से।
अम्मा सेल्फी लीजिए।
And here is my bhaiya counting all the names who gifted that phone to mama, since she was asking who was the real person who gifted that phone to her.
अंजलि विश्वकर्मा, शीला विश्वकर्मा,
अच्छा, और बेटा को भूल गए। अब बेटा
और जयेश विश्वकर्मा। और
after all that work and all those surprises, finally our puja started and we all did our prayers and that went pretty well. And yeah. And also our little Dev showed active participation in all those activities.
आ जाओ, कसके नहीं पकड़ना।
पकड़ लेगा वो ध्यान रखिएगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। हैप्पी दिवाली।
And after all of our pujas, we went to put on all the diyas and all the candles. And I don't know how I forgot to put on the clip of where we were playing with crackers. And also there was a very funny clip which I wanted to include, but I don't know, somehow I forgot it. So that clip went like, I was trying to lit the firecracker, a skyrocket kind of that cracker. And I was very confident that nothing will happen, so I was doing that, and I put on the fire. Then I thought it is not going to go. I have to give that another try. But I don't know how, somehow it started to it catch on the fire and it went up, and I was so done terrified with that. So that was a funny clip, but I don't know how I forgot to put that. But anyway, that is it. So yeah guys, so this was the whole video. Hope you liked it. So that's all. Happy Diwali from my side. So that's all for today's video. Hope I will see you in my next video, and till then make sure to like this video and comment down below how your Diwali went, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. And that's how our Diwali went.